Hey, what's up? This is MJ. Today we're going to unbox the Lisle 3/8 magnetic socket holder. I got this off of Amazon for 25 bucks. So I'm not sponsored by Lisle and there are no links to this video. The only link is to my toolbox heart. So let's open it up and check it out. The suspense is killing me. I can't wait. I actually really have one of these, and I bought another one, and I'm going to tell you why in a minute. So they also have red. I wanted to get red, but they didn't have it. To pick off metal particles, make sure the magnet is clean. Yeah, with anything magnets, it always gets little particles, so you got to keep them clean. Lay flat to fix any toolbox. All right, whatever. There we go. So this is it. This is new. They got like a magnet rail here. And they have it's on this side too, so it'll stick to your toolbox if you want it to. And there you go. Let me show you why I like these so much. Okay, so I think these are the best kind of socket holder. There are other types. So you can get a straight up and down holder, right? So if you're working in a shop and you're a mechanic, most of the mechanics I've worked with have some like this. But what happens is if you want to pick this up and take it over to the car, it's a little awkward. I mean, you can, but you know, it's a little heavy and awkward. But these work fine too, you know. And then the cheapest version is these. You can get these from Harbor Freight for 99 cents. But they're awkward when you have to hold the long sockets, right? Like they're on there tight now, but eventually they start plopping off. And you know, this isn't going to stay strong forever, so they're a little awkward and the sockets plop off sometime. And this is just another version. It's got a little handle. They're a little better, but it's the same thing. They plop off. I mean, this will work, but I'm gonna tell you, I've already been using this for like about a year, and I love these because when you hold them like this, the sockets won't fall off. If you're a do-it-yourselfer or a mobile mechanic, this is going to be the best type of socket holder to get, and I highly recommend it. And let me show you mine that I already have. Hold on. So this is really, I think, the best setup for mobile mechanics. So I keep a little towel in here to keep it from moving around when I have to carry them. Some cardboard. Keep the magnets off of each other, and you could swing it, you could hold it upside down, and they're not going to go anywhere. I also have a 3/8. See, they hang upside down, and 1/2. So this is a really good setup for mobile mechanics. You can easily take all your sockets somewhere and you don't have to hold them awkwardly. So here you go. You're going to go in there with your friends, and I'm going to get some more sockets to put in there. I'm going to get the mid-range, the mid-length, and the shallow sockets. So then I'm going to have the short and long 3/8, and then the super short and the mid-range 3/8 socket. So I'm going to have all the range of sockets. So I highly recommend this type of socket holder. I'm not sponsored and there are no links, so you can get them if you want to, but I think they're definitely worth it, especially for do-it-yourselfer and mobile mechanics and regular mechanics too. I worked with one mechanic who used those, and I always wanted them, and I finally got around to buying them. So there you go. So one thing I wanted to mention before I go, I know I do like to save money, but do not get the super cheap sockets like where there's no indentation in here, because they're just going to slip off, and this metal is it's not the best quality. Sometimes these crack. You definitely want to get a mid-level brand socket like these Gear Wrench, or some other ones are pretty good. The Door Last is pretty good. If you want to spend money though, and because I've noticed the mid-range ones, they perform just about as good as the top range ones, the Snap-ons. But the Snap-on ones are way more expensive. But if you want to spend some money, this is where you should spend it, in my opinion. A really good ratchet. Like, this is a Matco ratchet. I've had this ratchet like 14 years. It's a little beat up. It's very beat up. But it's definitely worth it. This one was like about 150 bucks. It's going to be more expensive, but this locking flex head is really going to help you, whether you're a professional or not a professional. So if you want to spend money, spend it on the ratchet, not necessarily the sockets. Just get the mid-level sockets. So you can get these. I think these are probably closer to $180 now, but you can go on their website and get it if you want. I'm not sponsored, so it's up to you. Matco or Snap-on, 3/8 drive, locking flex head with a comfort grip handle is going to be your best bet. And I'm probably going to replace this one soon, maybe from the next couple months. And I also want to get the Snap-on one too. They're both very good ratchets. I've used both of them. But yeah, if you want to spend money, spend it on a ratchet and save a little on the sockets, but not too much. All right, thank you for tuning in, and have a good one.